Let's draw a volcano. You're going to need a pen and a pencil and an eraser. So draw a kind of triangle pyramid just to give you the shape and also to give you the position on the paper for where you want it to be. And we're going to have sort of smoke coming out there. When you do this kind of a planning drawing, make sure you don't press hard, press very gently, and then it's easy to erase later. Now up at the top here, we're going to come in a bit like that, and then we can make this quite a crumbly, sort of wiggly line down there. And we'll come in there a bit as well, and we'll come down, a crumbly kind of rumbly line down there like that. And then we want the top of the volcano like that. So it's sort of a bit of an ellipse, but we're going to leave bits there at the top. And we can maybe just put little dots there to make them fade out. And then we're going to have the smoke up at the top, which is just going to curve like a snake. And then we'll start a little bit higher. And we'll just let that curve away there. And we'll do another one that's just going to sort of curve away there. And it's just lazily curving up. This is a dormant volcano, which means it's sleeping. Dormir is the French word for sleep. And that's where we get words like dormitory from, is where you sleep, isn't it? In a dormitory, isn't it? And so let's put some rocks down at the bottom here. So these are just wiggly rock kind of shapes. And then if you're absolutely sure the ink is dry, you can erase the pencil lines then. You see how easily they erase if you don't press too hard. Up at the top, we want to get this feeling of it being a cone. So draw one down, straight down, and then we want to kind of split that space in between at an angle like that. And let's do that as well on that side. And then we can do more like that, and maybe we can do bigger ones and smaller ones, splitting down in between each time, and that kind of gives us that sort of feeling of the cone. And then we're going to want something similar happening down here. So we've got the one in the middle, and then we want to split the angle here like that, and again here. So that sort of helps us to plan where the other sort of lines and things are going. So the volcano is kind of made from lava that is all kind of flowed down. So we can have these kind of lines coming down like this, and maybe the odd sort of bits of rock in between like that. And then I'm also going to add some bits of hatching. So this kind of style of shading kind of thing is called hatching. So we just put little hatches, 1, 2, 3. So you can start with a small one and make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and smaller and smaller and smaller. And you can have them small, 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 and then it can sort of join that the line there, and that will kind of make a shadow in the valley there. And we can do the same here, like that. And we can do them in the rocks down below as well, just to give them a bit of sort of shape. And we might want to add a bit of sort of shadow behind the rocks going up on either side. And we'll have a bit there behind that rock there too, maybe a bit of something going on up there. Then all you need to do is to colour it in. What colour will you choose? You could have sort of browns or purples or greys, or you can just choose your favourite colour. Okay? If you want to draw an exploding video, that's my next video. If you watched this far, you obviously like drawing, so click down there and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.